My low-end MOSFETs distort the signal. Is it because your tubes are not resistant to
Are you kidding me? When switching large current, the alarm potential rises. Can the signal not distort?
And the carpet? My ground wire is thick enough.
Even thick ground wire has main resistance. A large current will inevitably produce. Even if the highway is wide, it will be congested with trucks.
How to stabilize?
Place the driver chip near the MOSFET. Shorten the ground. To save design, it's your fault.
Why didn't you say it earlier?
You would think I'm wordy. Now, you come to me.
Break